Stocks now down 1,500 points, and we're just 9 minutes into the trading day. We're going to check in with financial expert Terry Savage. Terry, what do we make of all this?
Yeah, we're going to have another ugly, ugly day, which is not surprising when you look at global markets. Japan down about 10%, Asian markets down as much as 15%, European markets down sharply. Oil prices now below $60 a barrel. Why would oil go down? Hey, if there's going to be a global recession, remember during the pandemic, if nobody's driving, nobody's shopping, no Amazon trucks running around. So energy prices are down. Interest rates are down. Why? Because of the slowdown and because of a rush to the presumed safety of treasuries. So that's maybe a little bit of a bright side. It looks like over the weekend, from all the communications and this morning, early Peter Navarro on TV, this administration is willing to take a very painful recession. They don't have an election for, 2 years, a year and a half now. And they're willing to take, as they say it, the pain in order to get to their goal, which they presume will be a resumption of manufacturing in the United States. They may take the pain, but the question is, are you willing to take the pain and are you prepared for it?
Well, yeah, if you have a 401k and you're about to retire, does this mean you got to work a few more years wait for this to all come back?
Let me say, Larry, I sat there next to you on the desk 3 or 4 weeks ago begging people, talking about, money just disappearing and going to money heaven. Remember that line?
Yeah.
The savage truth. We're now down, I'm looking, this morning we'll be down another 4%. The S&P, let me give you some perspective before you make your 401k decisions. Right now, I guess from its highs, the S&P is down about 16%. We've lived through some bear markets. I hope we have this graphic. I sent it over to the producers. I have got my start on the options exchange trading floor back in 1973. Back then, the S&P collapsed 48%, and it took 6 years for the market to recover. In 2000, remember when the dot-com bubble burst?
Yeah.
Back then, the market fell 49%, and it took 5 years for the market to recover. And in 2007, 2008, the most recent memory, which people have forgotten, the market fell 56% during that huge financial crisis, which spread from our mortgage securities market all around the globe, and it took 4 years for the market to recover. Now, we've always recovered from every bear market. Every bear market we recovered eventually and moved higher. It's living through a decline. If you think 15% feels scary, how are you going to feel if it does? I don't have a crystal ball. Go down 30, 35, 40, or maybe even 50%. Given the breadth and depth and uncertainty of these tariffs, the response of the rest of the world, the way it's shaking up our economy, it's not inconceivable, not for sure, but not inconceivable that the market could fall much further. In that case, as I said 3-4 weeks ago, if you're still working your 20, 30, early 40s, believe in America down the road. I mean, maybe this administration or whatever comes next, but America always comes through these things. So keep contributing. In your 50s, look today. Don't hide and say, I don't know, I don't want to see it. Find the most conservative thing inside your 401k. You can move it with a click of your mouse, move some money into the most conservative, a short-term bond fund, something like that. And if you're retired, you're already seeing a loss. Someone said to me, well, that means you'd have to take a loss. The loss is there, whether you take it or not. The question is, do you sleep tonight? So you can move 20, 30% inside your IRA, because you should have rolled over. For years I've been saying, leave the company, roll to an IRA, because they have money market funds where you can hide. So use them. Take the government securities money market fund. Yeah, you've taken a 15% loss on your index fund, but you have half your money safe. It won't lose any more money. You can sleep, and hopefully you'll live another 5, 6, 8, 10 years, and you'll take that money out later. I know it's a long-winded explanation, but I know people are scared, and I can say rightly so, but don't be scared into paralysis.
All right.
All right, Terry, we'll see what happens. You can go to terrysavage.com. She answers your questions there. Thanks a bunch.
Thanks, Terry.
Thanks.
We'll be right back.